Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening Settings and going straight to Network and Internet. This is where data control lives. First, verify Windows 10 is updated so controls behave predictably, then select Data Usage to see the active network. Once done, click the network name shown under View Usage per network. This gives you the context to act. Make sure you note whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet because the controls and recommendations differ slightly. Now you'll set precise limits. First, mark the active Wi-Fi or Ethernet as a metered connection. This tells Windows to throttle background downloads and pause some updates. Next, click Data Limit, pick a limit type, enter the data cap and reset date. This forces clear thresholds. Then go to Background Apps and turn off apps you don't need running. Once done, disable live tile updates and start to cut constant background traffic and save immediate data. To finish, watch the data usage graph for 24-48 hours and tweak limits or metered settings if you see unexpected spikes. You can pause Windows Update temporarily or set active hours and delivery optimization to manual so big downloads won't start automatically. If data caps or metered flags seem ignored, restart the network adapter and update its driver. Corrupted drivers can bypass metered settings. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.